Got a bed, put your name on it. Put your name on it. Got a kiss, put your name on it. Put your name on it.
Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do another try on haul, but this time it is through Fashion Nova. So if you've watched my videos previously on my channel, you know I'm obsessed with Fashion Nova. I'm like never disappointed with the sizing and the clothes and just how they fit every single time I make an order. They're just really comfy and like most of all really flattering, well from the clothes that I pick anyways. So I did pick out a few more things that I'd love to show you guys. So if you'd like to see what I picked up from Fashion Nova, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first few things I picked up, this actually came in a set with some bike pants, but I'll show you that later. But I just thought these two looked really cute together. So as you know, I have an obsession with leopard print, so I picked up these shorts. These were in a size small, not gonna lie, these were a bit of a mission to put up past my legs because I got chunky thighs, but once they're on, it's actually really cute and they're not like really restrictive around the tummy area because it's got a little bit of like an elastic, if you can see, so it's not like you can zip it up or anything like that. There is this tie thing which you can make tighter, but these are in a size small. And this is in a size medium, which I think fits really well. You could also wear this as a gym crop as well. So yeah, I just think these two look really cute together, but I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna show you guys what the matching bike pants look to the bralette. Okay, so these are the bike pants on. Again, super comfy and not like really tight and restricting. I like wearing these bike pants either with this or even like oversized tees, which I did pick up as well, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. But yeah, these are just really cute and obviously on trend at the moment. So yeah, you could wear these to the gym as well, or even just casually. But yeah, I love this set. So this is the tee that I was talking about. Okay, how am I gonna put this on without ruining it? With makeup. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I got this one in a size medium, I think. I'm just gonna roll up the sleeves, but this is, I'm just gonna do it like really roughly. I usually roll up the sleeves when the shirt's off, but yeah, I think it's just really cute to even wear with bike pants, or you can even dress it up with like a belt or whatever, or you could do this as well, tie it up like this, which I think looks super cute. So it says this ain't Loren. Yeah, I think I need to pick up some more tees because they have really cute like graphic tees like this that I've never picked up like an oversized t-shirt before, but I really like it. So yeah, that is how you would, well, that's how I would style a tee. And then I've got another bodysuit that I could actually put on top of this bralette. Oh yeah, that would look really cute. Hold on. What's a bet? I still got makeup. Yep, still got makeup on it. Cool. Okay, so this is the next top that I got. It's just a mesh bodysuit. Obviously you would have to wear some sort of bralette or something underneath because it'd be completely see-through, but I really like this because it kind of looks like the Fendi logo, which is really cute. So it just goes up like that. It actually looks pretty cute with these bike pants. So the next couple things I got, I definitely underestimated the size of these shorts, but I just wanted like loose sort of fitting shorts like this, but I got these in a size 9 thinking they would be like not this baggy, but I'm definitely gonna have to order a 7, but I'm gonna see what it looks like with a belt. But yeah, it's just not really wearable at the moment. Oh yeah, I think I can save it with a belt because I still want that like loose sort of look around this area. Oh yeah, it actually looks not bad. Okay, I think I like them now because like when I first got them I was like, okay, they're way too loose to wear, but I just wanted some like really comfortable baggy like shorts like this. I probably will order a 7 as well, just to see how they fit, because they're so cheap, like it doesn't really matter. But these are really, really cute. And then this is the top I got. I wish I got a size small. This one's a medium. It's just a halter neck ribbed sort of top, navy. That's what it looks like. This is the full length of it, but I might even cut it just so it goes underneath my boobs. But I usually like to fold it up like that. But yeah, this is actually pretty cute outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna order a size 7 in these. That's what they look like from the back. I'll give you guys a bit of an up close of the top. But yeah, I love this top. I wear it all the time. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Wow, look at this. This is definitely probably my favorite from my whole order. So this is a 2-piece set. I'll zoom you guys down on the pants, but they're basically just like long flowy pants. And once again, it is elastic here, so there's no zip or anything like that. And this is a size small, which is quite snug, not gonna lie. So if I was any bigger, it would be like gaping here. But even like, yeah, it's a good size. It was, once again, a little bit hard to get over my legs, but once it got over, it looks really good. And I love the top, and I love how you could probably wear it like this as well. So you could wrap it around like that. I probably prefer it in a little bow here. But yeah, these definitely give off tropical vibes with the palm trees, and I just love the color. I'll zoom you guys down so you can see. So this is what the bottom of the pants look like, just super flowy. It's kind of like a satin type material, like there's 2 layers. But yeah, these are so, they're like really comfy as well, and like they would be pretty breathable in like hot weather. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite. I love it. Oh my god, okay, wow. So the next 2 items I picked up, like I literally had to get this when I saw it online, and I've been looking for like a really cute 1-piece. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So it's just like a leopard 1-piece, and then the back is open like this, if you can see that. But yeah, oh my god, I really struggled to find 1-pieces that actually cover the whole boob. And because my boobs aren't real and quite large, it is hard to find like a nice fit everywhere plus here. I always struggle to find swimwear that is too big here and then like too tight like around here. Like it doesn't always fit all the way around, but these ones do. I probably wouldn't recommend like, oh, they're quite, you know, in place. And I do like how they have adjustable straps, so you can make it tighter or looser if you want, but I'm so obsessed with this. And then I just thought that these would be really cute with any sort of bikini or 1-piece, so I picked it up as well. They're just like crochet type pants, which is like, I swear everyone has. But yeah, I think these 2 look really cute together, and I'll be definitely taking these to Fiji. So yeah, these are the last 2 things I picked up. I didn't really go that crazy this haul, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And if you'd like to see more hauls on my channel, then let me know what brand I should make an order to, because yeah, I'm obsessed with clothes, as you may have already noticed. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more hauls from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.